that we are facing is tremendous, considering that we are serving a total of 233,000 families affected by Typhoon Pablo in the areas of Davao Oriental and Compostela Valley. Since day one, we have always been on the site serving our internally displaced families. And to date, our records will show that we have practically covered all the puroks, all the barangays in all of these municipalities.
Riders on the storm, into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, and actor out alone. Riders on the storm, there's a killer on the road.
Bisan unsa pa man kadaghan ang mga hinabang sa international humanitarian mission, pagpabilin nga minima maay moabot pero minima lang, tas maayo man jud nga ang katawhan magpakabana gamit sa iyang katungod sama ning barikada, dili man mahatag ang 10,000 ka sakong bugas kung wala ang panagusa sa katawhan. Kay after Pablo Typhoon, minimal ra gyud ang mga rasyon nga miabot dito sa mga interior area sa kabarangayan sa Katiling, Bangaguman.